Welcome to Krishmaya Guru. In this video, we'll be learning about MS Excel basics. In the previous video, we have explained about MS Excel introduction, like what is MS Excel, why should we learn it. So let's start with the MS Excel basics today. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. We use it to create reports that need calculations and charts, and also we have pivot tables for extraction of data. Today let's see uh, the terms we use in Excel and what are the sections we have in MS Excel. So as you can see here, an Excel file, we usually call it as workbook. So when I say workbook, it's made of many sheets in it, like a normal book where we have pages. Like in Excel, it will have sheets. Each sheet can have many rows and many columns in it. Default title of the workbook will be, we call it as book 1. Here you can see number 1 here, the book 1, and then we have ribbon broken into tabs. Next part is ribbon, so this second part. So from here to here, we call whatever we find here is a ribbon. So that is being divided into many tabs. Here you can see home, insert, page layout, and so on. Okay, and each tab is grouped into clipboard, font, and alignment, and so on. So you can see the blue highlighted boxes. These are particular groups. I mean, similar kind of tools are grouped together. Next, the third one is, we can see left part here and right part. So the left part we call it as a name box, and right part we call it as a formula bar. The left part contains the address. Okay, you can see A1. When I say A1, column A and row 1. And the formula bar shows the contents of the cell or the formula. Okay, and the fourth one we see here, these are the columns. You can see these are all columns, and the rows are numbered. Okay, like this, the names of the row are numbered and names of the columns are lettered with letters, right? Okay, uh, examples I can say, while construction of building you might have seen the columns, right, like vertically, and for rows I can give an example. The chairs have been arranged in rows, so that's an example. Next one is, we have worksheet tabs. So here you can see the first one will be sheet 1, and you can add more sheets using this plus button, and you can name them as per your need. So these things we will learn in upcoming videos. The final part which we want to cover today is a status bar. The Excel behaves differently depending on the current mode. So what are the modes we have? Let's see. Status bar modes. So we have ready mode. When it is ready for the input, we will be seeing that here. You can see ready. That means nothing is entered on the Excel or edited so far. It is ready for the input. And enter mode. Enter mode, while you do data entry on the cell, then it will switch to entry mode. Okay, like we can say enter mode. And edit mode, when you are editing the contents of the cell, like a formula bar here, so you can see that will switch into edit mode. This I'll explain in the actual app. When you double click on a cell with the data in it, or click inside the formula bar for this, then it will switch to edit mode. Point mode. So usually when we have a cell, we can get the data of another cell. by pointing the address of the other cell. So that is the point mode. So now let's switch to the actual Excel application, and I will show you what are these terms and the modes of the status bar. On the top bar you can see the title here. Okay, we have book 1 here, right? So, and then we have down, this is called ribbon, and ribbon can be closed and it can be opened here. Okay, and we have many tabs in it. You can see insert, the insert related the items are here, and page layout, the things are here, and formula bar, data, review, view, so on. So each tab has many groups in it. You can see this is clipboard related, font related, alignment related, number related, like this. So and the next one you can see here, name box. So wherever you find click, you can see this is now C4. You can see that here, right? This one. So, and let me explain about the formula bar. If I am in a cell, I go here, or I can double click, or I jump directly to formula bar. You can say is equals to 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2. That means it will give you the sum. You see 3. So that is about formula bar, and you can see the columns are named using A, B, C, D, and then comes to the rows. Rows are named with the numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's move on to the next part, the sheet. As I said, Excel is a workbook, and it can have many sheets, and you can use this plus button to add more sheets in it. So we will see how to handle these sheets in upcoming videos. And this is the status bar. You can see the status bar over here. So I explained about the status bar modes over here, right? Let's see how these modes behave as when we enter data or edit the data. So we'll see that. Now it is ready. So when I type A, you can see now it switched into enter mode right here. And when I go to formula bar, you can see it switched to edit mode, right? That is edit mode. Okay, now we are in edit mode because we are editing inside the formula bar, right? So this is ready mode. Now if I want the value of this in this cell, so I can use go to formula bar, type equals, and when you address this like say B3, then you can see that it switched to point mode, right? Now I'm getting the value of B3 into the cell C4, right? So let's press enter. Now you can see the value of B3 has come into C4. So that is what the point mode. When you point to another cell, so that address, whatever it has a value, you can get into your cell. So that's about the status bar modes. That's it about the basics for today. In upcoming class, we will learn more in detail about the MS Excel basics, like how to use them, and we will go each tab, what are all the items we have in it. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.